Hello, Tuesday the 2nd December, progress report at Wheatridge. Okay, bit of a building site now. Drains have gone in, the inspector's bin, so they're being laid on pea gravel, getting ready to go into the building. That will pick up the bathroom and the barn. There's a water main, obviously still a lot to dig up. So the drains will actually go along there to pick up the house. This will be the concrete strip here for the foundation for the glass box. The foundations are in for the gym. That's Chris the builder. But we've got concrete being delivered now. That's Dan. Show you the big concrete mixer. They mix it literally as it's being required. So there's the sand on the top and the cement's injected into it, and out comes the concrete. The mini dumper, and then Dan drives it in. Very noisy. Dan would bring it in. I'll take you down here. Obviously wellies would be advised. And we had this poured yesterday. A strip foundation there. So the new pour is going down here. So then the lads can start building the gym at some point. So, good stuff. Here it comes, so we'll have a look at this. I'll get out of the way. Dan doesn't probably know he's on film. Got a wave, that's it, well done. No pressure, you're on camera. No. I don't want to tip it up. Obviously it's on a downward slope, so some of it will tip out, but so the actual foundation's going in live. Brilliant. Nowadays work these guys. Chris is in the hole. It's extremely dangerous, but you use a piece of wood to guide it down into the trench. Do that a few times, I'll get out of the way. There you go, another day at Wheatridge. Enjoy.